Is it on? Gosh. Hello. So it's probably my third video in YouTube. I don't know. Super amateur. Oh my god. I have nothing to say. I'm super amateur now. It's 10:39 here in Philippines. Yeah. Oh. Look at my damn fucking hair. It's like a pubes. Yeah, it look like a pubes, huh? But that's my asset. Uh, super bored.